What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm giving you a quick review of Fliki and whether it's worth using for AI-generated videos and voiceovers. Fliki is an AI tool that turns text into videos using AI voices, stock visuals, and simple editing tools. It's mainly designed for creators who want to make videos without filming or recording their own voice. One of Fliki's biggest strengths is how easy it is to use. You paste in a script, choose an AI voice, pick visuals, and Fliki automatically builds a video for you. This makes it great for explainer videos, YouTube faceless content, social media posts, and short-form videos. The AI voices are surprisingly natural, especially for narration and educational content. You can choose from different tones, accents, and languages, which adds flexibility depending on your audience. That said, Fliki isn't built for cinematic editing or highly customized visuals. The videos can feel template-based, and advanced creators may want more control than Fliki offers. Overall, Fliki is a solid option if you want to quickly turn scripts into videos without dealing with cameras, microphones, or complex editors. If speed and simplicity are your priority, it's definitely worth checking out. If this review helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.